welcome to this Fastcase tutorial video. I'm the product manager for Fastcase, Kevin Gustafson, and in this video we will review how to select your jurisdiction and sources in Fastcase 7. To select your jurisdiction and sources, select the gray Jurisdiction and Sources button next to the search bar. Just a note, on larger displays the box may only say Sources, but it will function the same. This will open a window separated into two parts. On the left side, you'll see a list of states, federal courts, and secondary sources. To see all the libraries associated with a state, federal court, or secondary source, click your desired jurisdiction. In this case, we'll use Louisiana. You can also find things easily by using the filter bar above the list. Just type in your jurisdiction, and when you do so, you'll see on the right-hand side, it will update with the individual libraries associated with the selected jurisdiction or source. To select your library, in this case Louisiana Cases and Statutes, click the checkbox to the left of the name and you'll see it gets added to your current sources. When you're done selecting your libraries, click the blue Done button and return to the search screen. Remember, you can access the jurisdiction and sources at any time at the top of your screen next to the search bar. That's how you select your jurisdiction and sources on Fastcase 7. Happy searching!